Hello guys, in this live stream I'll show you a React.js project that I developed which is similar to Canva and Photoshop. It's all in one image editor and it's a full stack project. It's similar to Canva. This is the actual project here. I'm running it on localhost 3000 and it's similar to Canva. So right here you have this canvas where you can actually add text. We have a lot of templates out there. On the left hand side, you can, with a single click, you can use any template, edit the text and export it to image or PDF. And let me show you the project here. This is the overall project. You will get all the source code. The link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. After purchasing it, you will get a zip file from Google Drive automatically after the payment is done. And all the sections in the project is divided into multiple JavaScript files here. Each section is coded inside JavaScript file. It's coded inside React.js. So if I show you the package.json file, it is using the latest version of React, which is 18.2.0. And we have used the free libraries for building out this project here. And for running it, it's very simple. You need to have Node.js installed. So I'm just running the latest version of Node right here. And now to start this project, you simply run the command here npm run start. So this will start this React.js project at your local development server, which is localhost 3000. And once the project starts, you can actually do all the stuff which is present inside Canva and Photoshop. You basically come up with this editor. So we also have ready-made backgrounds here. So we also have the functionality. You can resize it. You can add multiple pages as well, like this. You can see. You can remove elements. Just you can duplicate, remove elements. Simply select and click on delete. So this is very simple. You can align the text accordingly. You can draw something. So you can actually use the brush here. You can upload your own images, custom images. Simply add your own images like this. And then we have this download button where you can export this canvas. So we have all these options. So you can export it to PNG, JPG, PDF, HTML, GIF. So if I want to export this to a PDF, so now all the two pages will be converted to PDF. This is the first page, this is the second page. And this editor will save you a lot of time here. You can see that once it is also exported to PNG image file as well. So the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. And we have also integrated support for third-party image, which is coming through Unsplash API. So we have also got a lot of templates which Canva supports. So using a single click, you will be able to edit any template, edit the text, edit the image. All the support is there. We also have integrated the icon finder API as well, where you can integrate third-party icons as well. So then we also have the support for integrating third-party videos as well. So you can edit any videos, for example. And then we also have a lot of backgrounds which Canva support. So again, with a single click, you can actually change the background as well. So these are all the features of this editor. It's entirely coded inside React.js. All the source code you can see on your screen. So each and every section is divided into multiple JavaScript files. So if you need this source code, the link is given. You can directly purchase it, and you can just see we have used third-party libraries for building out this uh, Canva clone, Photoshop clone editor. So you can actually purchase it, and you can also see we can have all these features. We can change the background color of any text. We can even animate the text as well. Rotate, blink, fade, all the animations are supported. We can even change the size of the text. You can actually place it accordingly wherever you want to. We can even change the font as well. So all the famous fonts are supported using this window. So this is an ultimate Canva clone and Photoshop clone editor. So if you are interested, you can purchase it.